Hi, I'm Chris with U4Wells, here to discuss with you why some window wells rust prematurely. You might be inclined to know that the culprit is often the electrical system in your house, particularly the grounding method that was used. Before I get started, I need to explain some details of how the electrical grounding system works and the different methods used. When looking at a wall outlet, you might have noticed that there is a third hole. This third hole is the ground. It is there as a safety measure to receive any excess electricity from the device plugged in the outlet. This third hole is connected to wires that run through the walls and eventually connect to the earth, or ground. That is why this part of the electrical system is referred to as the ground. Traditionally, the ground wire was connected to something called a grounding rod. A grounding rod is a solid copper rod that is pounded at least 8 feet into the earth. The extra electricity would flow through the wires in your house, into the grounding rod, and then into the earth. The grounding rod is not the only method used. Another method that has become more common in the last 20 years is called a concrete encased electrode, or a U4 ground. A U4 ground uses the concrete foundation as the connection to the earth. The ground wire is connected to the concrete foundation through either the steel reinforcing bar or another acceptable conductor embedded in the concrete. The extra electricity flows through the conductor that's embedded in the concrete and then through the concrete itself to reach the earth. Now that you understand what an electrical ground is and the different grounding methods used, I can explain why some window wells rust prematurely. Window wells tend to rust more often when a house has a U4 ground and metal window wells secured directly to the foundation. Instead of electricity flowing through the concrete and into the earth, it finds the path of least resistance and flows through the metal window well to reach the earth. Metal is a much better conductor than concrete. This happens especially when one of the fasteners used to secure the window well to the foundation is in contact with the reinforcing bar in the concrete. Electricity flowing through the window well and into the earth causes electrolytic corrosion, commonly known as rust. The rust is formed where the electricity leaves the metal, therefore where the window well touches the earth, making window wells rust from the outside in. It is often that you don't see the rust through your basement window until it has rusted all the way through. If you have a rusty window well or are interested in how U4 Wells solves this problem, please check out my other videos or visit our website at u4wells.com. And of course, please be sure to like the video.